Good morning guys, and welcome back to a burst of flavor baking. This morning I am going to be making Callaloo saltfish quiche, and I'm adding a bit of bacon to this as well. For those of us who grew up in Jamaica or in the Caribbean, we know what Callaloo is. But for the rest of us, Callaloo is similar to spinach or even to collard greens, but it does taste different. I would suggest that if you are living somewhere where you cannot get Callaloo, you could easily substitute spinach for Callaloo in this particular recipe. The quiche is going to be made in 4 distinct phases. I'm first going to make the quiche crust, then I'm going to make the Callaloo filling, then I'm going to make an egg cream filling, and finally I'm going to assemble the quiche together. Let's get started with the crust. You will need 1 cup of almond flour and ½ cup of coconut flour, ½ teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon psyllium husk. Combine these dry ingredients. Now add about 4 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 large eggs lightly beaten. Combine all of this until a nice dough is formed, and then roll that dough into a ball, cover with a cling wrap, and place the dough in the fridge for at least 1 hour. In the meantime, prepare the Callaloo saltfish filling. You will need 2 to 3 cups of Callaloo or spinach, about 8 ounces of saltfish soaked and cut into small pieces. If you want to up your fat intake, or if you just love the taste of bacon, it's a great addition. You need about 3 to 4 strips of bacon. You'll also need about 2 small baby bell peppers or sweet pepper, 1 medium-sized tomato, half of a medium-sized onion. Optionally, if you want to add a little heat factor, you can add a small piece of a Scotch bonnet pepper or jalapeno pepper as well. ½ teaspoon salt and ½ teaspoon black pepper. Add your bacon to a pan and let's get ready to saute all these ingredients together. Once the Callaloo saltfish bacon filling has been prepared, set it aside so that it can cool. Now grab that dough from the fridge and we're going to roll it out and form the crust, the quiche crust, and put it in the pan that we're using. Place the pie crust back into the fridge. Now for the third step in this process, we're going to make the egg heavy cream filling. You will need 4 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, and ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. Combine well. Now for the fourth and final phase of this quiche, we're going to assemble the quiche together. Place a cup of your favorite cheese in the bottom of the quiche crust. Now add the Callaloo saltfish bacon filling. Finally, pour over the egg heavy cream mixture. Allow the quiche to bake for about 50 to 55 minutes at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. You can enjoy this quiche hot from the oven or warm, or you can actually freeze it and it will last for 3 months in the freezer. In which case you can take it out whenever you need and reheat it in the microwave or in the oven. It will give you that burst of flavor every time. With each mouthful, you're going to get all of these beautiful flavors and spices coming together. So go ahead and try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. And until then, keep exploring in the kitchen and walk good.